Hello there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video I'm gonna show you how to make this amazing PowerPoint template in just a few minutes. So let's start. First, make sure to hit the bell icon and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So first of all, we're gonna go to this slide right here. We're gonna give it we're gonna insert these circles and make sure that these are curved circles. Make them fully circular. Then what we're gonna do is just duplicate those curves and decrease their sizes. We're gonna make sure that they come just over this track that we made behind. So one by one, what we're gonna do is do this. Make sure that you do it real fast. So let's cover this. Here we go. Then we're gonna remove the basic tracks behind, and then we're gonna select these shapes one by one and change their colors. Here we go. Let's change their colors and make sure that these are shades colors. Here we go. Then we're gonna insert these lines right here. Here we go. Then we're gonna make sure that they are rotated. Here you go. The next thing you have to do is insert these circles, give them shadows. Then what we're gonna do is attach them next to each line, but make sure that your colors are nice, and also make sure to add icons. Then let's put them in each of the circle. Here we go. So yeah, this is the final result. If you like this video, make sure to hit the bell icon.